done my project on service quality at Stripe BNP Paribas. Everybody know about this company. These are my objectives. These are my objectives of the study. First, I have to thank my external and internal guide who helped me. And my objectives was the awareness about Stripe BNP Paribas, how the customers are knowing about the Stripe BNP Paribas. And my second objective is to identify the customer opinion towards the service offered by Stripe BNP Paribas. And next objective is to know the customer expectations toward the consumer loan of Stripe BNP Paribas. How they are expecting when they are coming towards purchase the loan. Then my next objective is to identify the satisfaction of the customers towards service of Stripe BNP Paribas. How the customers are satisfying when they are getting the loan. My next objective is to suggest the innovative ideas to enhance the satisfaction of the customers. We are going to suggest innovative ideas to the companies. That is my last objective. And what is the need of the study is the study will help to improve the service quality of Stripe BNP Paribas. It will definitely be helpful to our company, to the organization. And this study will help to attract the new customers and needs of the existing customers. This study will help to enhance the new customers from the society, and to give the suggestions regarding the service quality to the organization. And next is the scope of the study. The study will help the company to know awareness among the consumers and the perception. The company can find out where their competitors stand in the minds of the customers. And next is to improve the marketing strategies of the organization. And next is it aims to understand the skill of the company in the area of service quality, that they are performing well, so those areas which require improvement. And next is I have 4 tools I have used. First is SPSS and chi-square method, and one sample t-test and weighted average method. These are the tools I have used in my research. And my findings is 28.6% of the respondents. These first two are belongs to demographic variable. 28.6% of the respondents come under the group of age between 40 to 55. That means they have experience before they are coming into this section. And 27.9% of the respondents are monthly earning 3 lakh to 5 lakh. That means they are having this kind of jobs many, and for 50.57% of the respondents are new customers. That means our company is encouraging the new customers when they are coming towards purchase of the loan. 42.1% of the respondents know about the company through dealers only. That means dealers suggest many consumers, dealers suggest many new customers towards our organization. 35% of the customers has said that the company is providing good benefits to the customers. That means only 35% they are telling that good benefits. Others 65% maximum they are not telling about any suggestions. So we should improve the service quality of the organization. And 52.1% of the customers have said that the organization is encouraging FTU customers. FTU customers means first time user customers. That means new customers. So our organization is encouraging the new customers. 30% of the respondents have said that the company finished the process of loan 3 to 4 weeks. So we have to improve the process time. We have to improve the time. 47.1% of the customers have chosen the PDC mode to pay their EMI. they are well satisfied. They are very satisfied about this PDC method. So company will develop the PDC method into into next level. 52.9% of the respondents happily said that the company provided extra time to pay EMI. If they are not paying on time, the company will provide the extra time, so it will be helpful for our customers. 46.6% of the customers have answered that the accessibility of the organization is normal. 47.9% of the consumers have replied that the organization is somewhat transparent in the process. So we have to improve the transparency of the loan process. So that will be helpful for the customers and the company also. 35% of the customers have said that it was 35% of the customers have said that it was normal to meet higher officials in case of any problem arisen. If in any case of problem, we have to approach the higher authority in the organization. So it will be helpful to solve the customer's problem. So company will arrange for that. And document procedure is very difficult to understand, and document procedure is very difficult. It is stressing to our consumers. So documentation procedure, if it is easy, then consumer will approach to the organization, and it will be increasing our new customers. That will be helpful for us. Then what are the suggestions? The process of the loan is not gratifying the customers, and the process is not so faster. So the process when the process is speed, then only consumers will approach, more consumers will approach it. So the process of the loan is must so fast. The organization should improve the infrastructure, but in Chennai, our infrastructure is somewhat messy. So it will be increased. The infrastructure will be good. Then only the customers will approach towards the organization. So infrastructure will be developed by the organization. Conclusion is service. The process of the loan. I'm again telling that the process of the loan is not gratifying the customers. So the process is so fast, then only the consumer will approach. More consumer will approach. So the process will be increased, and the organization, some aspects like such as responsiveness, the process of loan awareness will be increased by the organization. Then the document, I have already told that the documentation procedure is very difficult to understand. So before coming towards our organization, the consumer must know all the documentation procedure of our company. So we will explain before they are coming into our organization. That is mandatory. Thank you.